The all-new 2024 Mitsubishi Triton range will be more expensive than the popular model it replaces because it's bigger, more powerful, and brings a lot more technology. By switching to a new high-tensile steel material, the body is lighter compared to the previous generation L200. The truck uses a redesigned cargo bed that has been lowered by 45 millimeters, 1.77 inches, to 820 millimeters, 32.2 in, to make it easier to maneuver cargo. Reinforced using a frame, a newly added step in the bumper corner further increases practicality. Without going into details, Mitsubishi says the utilitarian vehicle is now larger than before, but the weight gain has been minimized by using lighter steel. The interior has been thoroughly updated as well, although we're surprised to see it still has analog dials, not that it's a bad thing. There are separate controls for the climate settings along with a few shortcuts beneath the touchscreen, which is flanked by two rotary knobs. Overall, the dashboard has a straightforward and functional layout, exactly what you'd expect from a workhorse. Switching between 2WD and 4WD is done using the selector mounted between the seats, where you'll also find a button for the driving modes. For instance, the center console can accommodate 2 large cups, and the console box can hold up to 4 600 milliliters plastic bottles or tablets and files. You'll also find USB-A and USB-C sockets for charging devices, along with a wireless charger. Standard across the model range is a 9.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and likely Android Auto, embedded satellite navigation and Bluetooth, plus a 7.0-inch instrument cluster screen. Furthermore, the available Mitsubishi Connect features include remote control of the AC, headlights, and horn from the user's smartphone. Safety equipment has also been greatly improved, with the ADAS package now featuring adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, blind spot warning, lane change assist, and rear cross traffic alert, among other systems. All trims come standard with active stability and traction control, ASTC, which is said to improve stability on winding roads. Track widths have risen by 50 millimeters front and rear to 1,570 millimeters front and 1,565 millimeters rear for a broader footprint, while there is claimed to be 49 millimeters more interior shoulder room at 1,479 millimeters, and the industry hip point measurement is 40 millimeters higher, which should translate to a higher seating position and better view of the road. The new Mitsubishi Triton is said to be all new underneath, the first ground-up new model in nearly 2 decades, as today's model, introduced in 2014, is a heavy update of its 2005 predecessor. Mitsubishi claims an 8.1% reduction in aerodynamic drag, which may translate to an improvement in fuel economy, while the body is lighter despite its larger size, though the frame is heavier. The cargo bed height has also been lowered by 45 millimeters to 820 millimeters, and the upper surface area of the bumper corner has been enlarged and reinforced with a frame to be used as a foot space. The exterior design can be further spiced up with an array of optionally available accessories like a sports bar, bed liner, fender extensions, and door garnish. Aggressive styling aside, Mitsubishi also focused on improving the utility of its pickup truck by implementing more durable and larger door handles, as well as wider side steps with improved water drainage.